Good morning, guys. I am Mama Bear Demeni, and today I did a haul from Amazon Fresh for my daughter who is at Ronald McDonald House. So it's just a couple things that she needed in order to get by until she moved to Wells. So she just took the video for me, and I will voice over what I got and my thoughts behind it. All right, you guys have a blessed day. So this is just a small haul, just a couple things to get her through the next couple days. So we ended up getting a few things of meat. We're all out of meat. So I got the sausage here. I thought she could just fry those up real quick for dinner. And then the tenderloins, we did have some cranberry sauce and Catalina dressing left. So maybe some cranberry chicken. Just some ground beef. Something that's really easy for her, and we had chips there, is just to do some tacos, just to grind that up and do tacos. She also does have some beans if she wanted to do chili with that. So fruit. She needed some fruit for yogurt, because that's a common thing that they eat on a regular basis is yogurt for breakfast, because it's great for the two who have diabetes, and that's who's there right now. So we have a Greek yogurt already in the fridge, and then those berries. The kids can eat the frozen fruit as well. So then just from some fresh fruit, grapes and strawberries. The strawberries were on sale. I think they were 2 for $5, I want to say. And then the blueberries. So they love fruit. It's all the little kids there, so it's very common. Pretty much all they eat for snack is fruit. Yeah, cantaloupe, that's gonna go with a breakfast, like eggs and cantaloupe, bananas, and then some cuties there. Cuties only have 8 carbs in them, so that's an easy snack. A lot of times too, they're great if they are going to the park. They'll just bring that down there, and if Sweet Pea is running just slightly low, then we would have her have like an orange beforehand. So we had a bunch of salads to go with the meat. Pretty much just having a salad with whatever meat or meal is available is just an easy way to get all your veggies in. So I ended up they were actually on sale for, I want to say, $3.29. So yeah, not a bad price. And then some cucumbers. Those are considered a freebie, and then string cheese is also considered a freebie in our world as far as diabetes. And then we got another one of these muffin mixes. We'll probably make that up for a breakfast, and then we'd have a piece of fruit because it's just the younger kids that are there. And then Dayquil, NyQuil, my daughter asked for me. So that was it. I got this before we actually knew that we were going to be leaving Ronald McDonald's house. So she will take whatever she doesn't use along with her. But that was what we kind of planned. The frozen fruit thing is just so convenient if you have some, especially if you're doing the yogurt. Just throwing fruit on it is super easy. I think sometimes with the younger kids, it's easier just to give them something small, and they're always asking for fruit or a cheese stick. So might as well just do that rather than making other things. So what are you guys working on? I am working on a schedule for the month of April for our food. I'm trying to get some shopping lists together. Trying to work on some low-cost things. Just trying to figure it out for the month of April. I'm doing like 1 week at a time. I'm trying to get like a shopping list to go with the menu, and then like put the recipes together for you guys, but also for our family and my kids. I think that we're going to end up doing some larger breakfast. I'm not entirely sure what that's going to look like right now. But I would like to do some larger morning breakfast, because I think it's going to be a time that some people are getting there early, like coming to eat early, and then others are going to be sleeping in later, and I definitely am going to need to be taking whatever opportunity I need to be able to sleep. So if he's sleeping in, I probably will sleep in, just because 6 months in a hospital is very hard on your body. It's going to take me a good few weeks before I can like recover from the experience when I get back there. So just thoughts that I'm thinking in the interim of everything. I probably yeah, I'm probably going to do those. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get to the grocery store myself, so I want them to have like a grocery shopping list. I also am going to be going over how I figure out what I actually need to buy from the store when I have a menu. So that will be coming up in another video. So I hope you all have a blessed and wonderful day.